Good morning, grade 1.
Good morning.
Today is our first weekly review for math for the academic year of 2016-2017, semester 1. Okay, you're going to find your worksheets in your file. And if you lose your worksheet, where can you go? Zahra? That's right. You can download it from the internet and work on it with your parents while you're watching this video. Let's begin. So the topics we took for the first few weeks of school were quantity review of numbers 1 through 10, the notion of addition, and the addition sentence. And all of these pages can be found in your math books, volume 1. So what we have to do here is we have to join the number to the right picture. We're going to count all of the objects that are in each picture and draw a line to the correct number. So here we have what? What do you see here? Apples, what? Right? How many apples are in this bowl? Okay, let's count together. 1, 2,
3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9.
Excellent. So I draw a line to number 9. Here we have some gumballs. Okay, let's count how many gumballs are inside.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18.
Excellent. So where do I put this? Okay. All right. How many students here are in a circle? 7. And how many fish are in that bowl? Good job. So now we're moving on to addition. Who can tell me what sign we use when we add? What the name of this sign? Ibrahim. Plus, that's right. Let me go ahead and circle it. And when we find the sum of our addition problem, what sign do we use? What is it called, Muhammad? Mahdi. Equal, that's right. So here we're going to observe the picture and answer the questions. Then we're going to write the numeric equation for each, meaning we're going to change the words to numbers, okay? So how many horses do we have inside of this shed?
3.
Okay. And how many
1.
do we have outside?
1.
How many are there altogether?
4.
4, okay? So if I wanted to write this using numbers and I wanted to make an addition problem, how would I say it? Raise your hand. Ali? Okay, how would I say it? I would put the 3 plus 1 equals 4. So that is my equation. Let's do number 2. How many birds are there in the tree? 3. How many birds are in the sky?
3.
Okay, how many birds do I have altogether? 6. If I wanted to make this into an equation, how would I do that? Ibrahim?
3 plus 3 equals 6.
Excellent. So number 3, how many chickens are eating?
3.
3. How many chickens are drinking? 2. So how many chickens do I have altogether?
5.
Thank you. 5. So what is my equation, Sen? 3 plus 2 equals 5. Excellent. So here we have to group the animals to find the sum. Okay, so first I'm being asked to group which animal?
Butterfly.
The butterflies, right? Who wants to tell me what's in the first group? Zahra? 3. What about the second group? Majid? 3. So how many butterflies do I have all together? Raise your hand. Lana?
7.
Let's count again. Tiam? 6. Excellent. So now they're asking me to find what? How many, what do I have here?
1.
What are these called? Grasshoppers. Excellent, Tiam. Okay, how many do I have in the first group?
1.
Okay, 1. Second group?
2.
2. Altogether, I have 3. Now I'm being asked to find what? The sum of what? The dogs. Okay? Mahdi, how many do I have in the first group?
1 plus
Okay, 1 and 1 gives me how many dogs?
2.
2, excellent. Now finally birds. Julia, how many do I have in the first group?
2.
2. And the second one? 1. How many do I have altogether?
3.
3, excellent. So now we have to use the groups to create the equation and then solve it. So I have to turn these pictures into numbers. In the first group here, I'm using squares. Okay? What do I see first, Ibrahim? 3. So I have 3. Then what's this here?
1.
Plus
1.
plus 1. How many do I have altogether?
Equals 4.
4. So 3 plus 1 gives me 4. Next group with the stars. Let's see if you guys can do it by yourself. Rose.
4 plus 1.
Count the second group again.
6.
Okay, so 4 plus what gives me 6? 2. 4 plus 2 gives me 6. Okay, next one, triangles. Ihsan. Yeah. Gives me what? 5. Everyone's like 5, 5, 5. Okay, next one, Muhammad. Can you raise your voice a little bit? Okay, 2 plus 2 gives me what?
4.
Excellent. Good job, guys. So we can find the same sum using different equations, right? What is my sum here? 8, right? And I can use different equations to find the same answer, okay? So my first equation is what? Who can tell me? Ibrahim. 4 plus 4. And that gives me what?
8.
8. Excellent. My next equation, Julia.
7.
6. Yeah, 6
6 plus 2.
gives me
8.
8. Okay. Last one, Majid. 7 plus 1 gives me 8. Excellent. So here what I have to do is I have to draw different equations that will give me the sum of 8 using two colors, red and green. Okay? So who wants to give me an example of one? Ali?
3 plus 5.
That's right. So I could draw 3 green squares here plus 5. 1, 2. And that gives me what? 8. Okay, who wants to give me another equation? Tiam?
4 plus 4.
4 plus 4. Excellent. 1, 2, 3, 4. 2, 3, 4. 4 plus 4. And that gives me what? Okay. Next, Mahdi.
6 plus 3.
3?
4.
Too high. 2. Excellent. So 6 plus 2. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 plus 2. Okay. 6. And 2 gives me what? Okay. Last one. Mario.
7 plus 1.
Excellent. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 plus 1. And that gives me what? 8 as well. 7 plus 1 equals 8. Here we have to solve each equation. This is easy. You should be able to do this in your head. So the first equation we have is 2 plus 1.
1 equals 3.
Okay. Raise your hands. The next one, Sam, 4 plus 3.
6.
Close. Majid. It's on the board. Ali. 7. 6 plus 2. Mahdi.
8.
Excellent. 0 plus 8. Everyone say it. 8. Come on, it's 8. It's 0. Good job. So here we have to continue the sequence to find the same sum. On your worksheet, this is considered a bonus, so don't feel bad if you can't get it, but you should try your best to find the correct answer, okay? What do we notice about this sequence? Is it going backwards or forward?
Backwards.
It's going backwards. Excellent. Okay, so here we start with 9 plus 1. What is 9 plus 1?
10.
10. What is 8 plus 2?
10.
10 as well. So we know that my sum is what? 10. So I have to find equations using the numbers going backwards to give me 10. Okay, Mario?
9 plus 1.
Okay, we have 9 plus 1. We have 8 plus 2. So after 8, what do I use? Which number? 7. Excellent. 7 plus what? 3. Gives me what? 10. So then after 7, what do I use? 6. Excellent. 6 plus what? 6 plus 4. 6 plus 4 gives me what? 10. Okay. Next one, Hussein. 5 plus what? 5 gives me what?
10.
Good job. Next one, Mahdi.
4 plus 4.
4 plus 4.
10. No.
Tiam.
5.
No, we're on 4 now. Ali.
4 plus 5.
Close.
No.
Rasha.
3.
No.
Oh, I know.
Remember, we always add plus 1 here.
7.
No, we add plus 1 here. 6.
6.
So 4 plus 6. Finally, so after 4 I use what? 3. And I plus 1 here. Plus, I plus 1 here. 7. So 3 plus 7 gives me 10. So give yourself a big clap. Good job.